everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikhail if you're new here. So last week I did a part 1 of this video where I showed you guys my studio setup and how I built this little backdrop here. So I will post that here so you guys can watch part 1. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get my studio lighting here. I feel like I got pretty good lighting. I feel like I'm pretty lit up nice and perfect. So if you guys want to know how to get a beginner's guide, YouTube lighting, keep watching this video. As you can see, I'm using 3-point lighting. 3-point lighting consists of the fill light, the key light, and the backlight. And I'm going to go more into detail here. So the key light is the most important. It's going to be the brightest light. It highlights the subject and it's going to be either on the left or right side of the subject. The fill light is going to be on the side of the subject and the opposite side of the key light. And this helps eliminate any shadows and really make any colors pop. The backlight is going to separate the subject and the background and really make the subject pop, because sometimes the subject really blends in the background and we lose the subject, and we really don't want to lose the most important piece, which is our subject. So I'm going to take the key light or my ring light and I'm going to position it on my right side, either left or right, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to take my fill light and I'm actually going to position the opposite side of my key light. And because I don't want it to be super bright on the subject, I'm going to actually position it a little bit farther back. And softboxes can be pretty bright, so that's why I'm positioning it a little farther back. And you really don't want to overexpose, you just want to eliminate any shadows. And the backlight should be behind the subject, but because the door there, I can't quite show you. As you can see, without any lighting, lots of shadows, and I'm just orange. I'm just really dull. We need to get some life. So with the key light, I'm bright, but my shirt is still very dull and there's lots of shadows. But with the fill light, as you can see, the shadows on my face are gone and my shirt is starting to pop and it's starting to look really good. But the background is still super dull and I'm kind of losing myself, and so we need to brighten up here. So I'm using my fairy lights as my backlight. If you aren't going to use fairy lights, you can definitely use a softbox as your backlight. That's also a really great option as well. So the softbox should be positioned behind the subject, left or right, to really brighten up the background and separate the subject from the background. As you can see, it's super overexposed, which is why I didn't want to use my softbox. I'm just going to use my fairy lights. That is it for lighting. It's super easy and I think it's super great to use for YouTube. So that is how you guys can get really bomb lighting for YouTube videos. So I really hope that this was a helpful video for you guys. Let me know, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want me to do any more tech type videos or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.